Got some cold, wanna stay down with me. I'ma play it smooth, get up and we lay down. Low key, 'cause this ain't a safe town where I'm from, but it's cool.
What is going on, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? And how we feeling? If you guys can hear me clearly, press 1 or just drop a fire emoji or just say, yeah, I got you, I can hear you. All right, cool. Sorry about that. I had to do some work on here. All right, so I caught out a U.S. oil trade earlier this morning, and unfortunately, it did hit stop loss. As I actually tried to tap into oil, and I was gonna call out another trade, which is this one, and that I just got out of this trade early, but I'm not really feeling oil at this time being, just because I do see it is in consolidation. You guys know, if we're not really moving now, then it's just going to be consolidating all day, right? All day. On top of that, let me remove this for a second. Like I said, I'm not in this any longer, so I'm actually going to remove this. If someone thinks that I'm doing something here and they're going to just take it, but we got a lot of liquidity they are building up. There's a lot of liquidity that is getting built up, and you guys know we got that gap too. So I feel like the moment that market or oil wants to take this liquidity out, it's over with. It's dropping from there. That's how I see it. You know, so I see they building up a lot of liquidity, which is a good sign for me, because I know for sure the more liquidity that is built up, the more they're going to take that. And then also, of course, we do have this gap too. So the moment we get that, I'm all in. Oil's on cliff. Yeah, what's going on, though? Yeah, it is. Jacob, I think I seen you said something too. What's up, FX, Forex, Pips? What's going on, y'all? Yeah, suicide right now for oil. I just re-entered in there, but I just got out of it. I'm not liking how it's moving right now. I'm really not. Other than that, man, was looking at, I know we had news earlier, which is why I wasn't really trying to do too much in trading today, just because I knew we had a lot of news. I actually put a lot into oil, and then now seeing that we are in consolidation, it's kind of like, well, you know, but I didn't even get into a gold trade because I just felt like we got crazy news today. I'm not gonna really tap into it. We unfortunately, oh yeah, I did my if you guys look down below, we got another L because, you know, I remember yesterday we did call it out for a buy. Unfortunately, it just didn't want to play out, and that's why I kind of was saying, like, this right here looked like it was, but when I'm like 50-50, it's kind of one of those situations. I'll still take the trade, but I wouldn't try to do too much risking or too much of a risk. So we end up taking that L and whatnot. So that's pretty much what it is with oil. I mean, not oil, gold. But other than that, let me show you guys what I do see so far with gold. So we did have news hit earlier. If y'all didn't know, we did have news hit earlier. I actually do expect dollar just to hit up just a tidbit to some of these levels over here. And just by seeing dollar doing that, I'm also looking on gold to obviously head down. Now, if you guys look here, we do have a lot of liquidity that is getting built up. But you guys know, just because you have all of this liquidity getting built up doesn't necessarily mean it's going to hit that area right away. That being said, if you guys pay close attention here, you see that we do have this midpoint right there. I mean, we tap into the settlement very well. We got this nice break of structure, right? Pulling up, pulling back, and then pulling right up from that. So I'm definitely seeing the upwards move, and then the gold still dropping. And we got NFP news tomorrow. Do we not? Do we? If we do, then damn, I forgot. What's today? April 6th? Yeah, we got a lot going on this week. From today and tomorrow. Gotcha. It's going to be interesting. You said still day 3, but no solving problem. Yo, hit me up. Just hit me up on Discord. Hit me up on Discord and send me your email address. I'm gonna talk to them and see what's going on. Yo, what's going on, Donnie? How you doing? Tomorrow, yeah, we got NFP. Yeah, we got NFP news, man. It's just it's gonna be a nice little. It's gonna be some nice little reactions for sure. So look at this unconsolidated. This is just so unstable right now. We're just in the most consolidated trend on oil. He said tomorrow's gonna be a warm because London closed tomorrow. I think it's Good Friday tomorrow too, y'all. If I'm not mistaken. I think it's like Good Friday or something like that tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken, right? Yeah, it's Good Friday tomorrow. So tomorrow is definitely gonna be weird because it's Good Friday tomorrow, and no, that's today. Today is Good Friday and Euro, GJ. I mean, yeah, Good Friday, Friday. Okay, so it's gonna be very, very, very unusual day tomorrow. But y'all know I'm gonna still try to look for setups if there is a setup. Other than that, yeah. Other than that, guys. That being said, still working on my account right now, and everything like that. Personal account, you guys see, I'm still growing that and just slowly getting that up and whatnot. But other than that, I'm looking at gold. Don't know if there's any setups coming. We kind of just had our big reaction that just happened with gold, and it's kind of like, are we still going to get reaction? Which I believe we are. My only situation is I don't know 100% where we at right now with gold, except for that we are in a trend. I just don't know if this is going to continue to drop or if we're going to get that correction. But you guys know, for me, how I like to trade is I like to enter in a like a really good position, like a position where I can catch it, mostly the extreme point, because I know I can have less how can you put it, like less risk and more reward. So for me personally, I've been tapping into gold since last night. Honestly, I've been trying to trade it since last night, London session. Didn't really get too much going with that time frame, or in that session. But that being said, I'm still waiting on gold to honestly pull back further before I actually decide to sell off on this one. You was 1% away from passing your challenge. Ooh. Don't worry, you're gonna get there soon. You're definitely gonna get there soon. Alright, cool. 1% is close, you have time left. Guys, this is why I say you want to sign up with Funder Pro, because Funder Pro you get you have unlimited time. You have unlimited time to trade. And I'm pretty sure we all want that, right? We all want unlimited time to trade. So guys, I gotta enter my trades, and I have not entered my trades in since yesterday. Jeez, I got a lot of trades to enter in. Right now we actually did drop on my account right now, just because of this oil trade. I ain't even gonna lie, I took a big one. I took 2 big oil positions this morning, and that didn't go in my favor at all. And I'm now looking like, yeah, I see we are in just crazy consolidation. But we've been good, man. I guess I was due for an L for oil. We had beautiful straight wins for oil, but this one just took that L. And I'm anxious to see what's about to happen tomorrow now, just because of all this liquidity. I do feel like it makes sense what's going on right now with oil because of Good Friday. We did have high impact news today, and also we got NFP tomorrow, which definitely could affect oil, U.S. oil. But I do feel like they're playing right now. They're just doing this manipulation game where they're just going to basically kind of have equal buyers and equal sellers come in same time. but also build that liquidity up to where everyone's now going to feel like it's time to buy. Or not even that. Another thing about this is that I know a lot of you guys probably already sold because you've seen this big gap and you're like, oh, I'm gonna sell it now, and you probably sold it here or you probably sold it here, and you're still riding this roller coaster, and they're trying to basically just scare you guys off. And that's why I say, man, sometimes you just gotta understand position is everything. Patience is also everything too. So for me particularly, I'm not gonna do anything until I see if we can take this low out. Honestly, like, my rule of thumb now for oil is I need to see what's going to happen. Are we going to take this low out either during London or maybe later today, which I don't believe that could happen, or tomorrow we might take it out, and then starting next week we might start seeing market depreciate on oil. I did good with this with the gold this morning from your signal in the Discord. That's what's up. That's what's up. What if I dump very fast? Please look at GJ. Yeah, we gonna have to look at GJ because I'm not seeing nothing else right now. I was actually in a GJ buy, super small buy, nothing crazy because GJ don't really move that fast. I'm just not used to it anymore. I'm used to very fast pace, very fast reactions. But I do see GJ heading up. That's for sure, and that's why I brought it earlier. But like I said, it was really quick little small scout. I got 13 days left and I skipped my stop loss. I'm in NAS long for riding it. You in a NAS trade? Man. When did you enter? Oh, this look nice though. What time we got? 4 minutes left? Cool. This is enough time for me to think about this trade. Let's see. I see we got divergence going on, which is cool. All right, that's good to know. I do see we got, oh snap. Hey yo, Neil, we might have a liquidity phase, brother. Oh, you got a good eye. Fuck yeah. Now this is the liquidity phase, guys. Took the lows out. Now we taking the highs out. But wait, what? Okay, because on a 1 hour it's more like this. Haha. Yeah, guys, I think I got a trade. Oh yeah, and it's a NASDAQ one. Let's see. We can get a 101. Boom. Get it to this POI level here. This one is definitely going to be a little risky just because of the position. Kind of want to see what's going to happen in this 5-minute candle. Yeah, I'm going to see what's going to happen in this 5-minute candle. And then we'll go from there. So riding NASDAQ for, you said riding NASDAQ, so you've been riding it for about 30 minutes, I'm guessing? Is what you're trying to say? Yeah, this is definitely a nice little setup. Oh, I do see that we have a nice little POI level right there. Let's see. 3 minutes standing. Liquidity phase. Yeah, I'm feeling this one, y'all. All right, bet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in this one. Oh, Jesus, not for that amount. I hate when it does that. It's not. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm in this one. I'm actually trying to post this one, but I can't even get my damn numbers right. Twelve, 8, 5, 8, 7, 3. 12, 8, 5, 8, 3. Oh, one. Let's see. Yes, sirree. Yeah, I see. All right, cool, guys. Nice liquidity phase on this one. This is kind of what I'm seeing it. Especially, I see it more in an hour than a 5 minute. See this one more in an hour than a 5 minute. All right, cool. Keep my eye on that one. See what's going on with that. Did you see a whole picture? Did you see the whole picture of NAS? Oh, my fan is blowing loud. All right, cool. So we good and we great. We got everything going. Let me yeah, we good and great. We got everything going. So you guys now complaining about my mic's too low, music's too loud. Then every time I turn up my mic, it's too loud. I'm gonna just keep it how I got it. It's either loud or it's too low. It's never right. All right, but anyway, that being said, guys, if you look at dollar, like I told you earlier, if you focus on dollar, you will literally see that, like I said earlier, we got a lot of we don't really have a lot of liquidity. We do actually, on a smaller scale, which is all of here. But on top of that, I want you guys to really pay attention to, how can I put it? I really want you guys to pay attention to this POI that is resting up here on dollar. I feel like if tomorrow news can blow it up, I feel like starting next week, we could start seeing dollar drop right back down. That's one thing you guys got to understand. On a bigger scale, we are falling down. On a higher scale, we are going up. But this reaction is not your, oh, yeah, we're going all the way up to reverse because we hit a daily support level and we're going to go to the moon now. No, it's just a pullback. It's just a pullback. So I just want y'all to keep that in mind when you guys are trading, right? It's just a pullback. That's really all it is. It's just a pullback. Well, really just going up, a retracement to go up and then to continue to go down. That's pretty much what it really is. Let's see. You said, bro, can you do a funded account giveaway? Absolutely. You know what? I don't know why I didn't think about that, but I'm gonna definitely consider that. So I'm trying to get a 5K challenge on my Forex firm. What makes one better than the other prop firms? Well, I will tell you that for me personally, the biggest thing and really the only thing is the days. I have unlimited days, and that's big to me. I have unlimited days, and that's big for me. Let's give it, bro. Stop loss in that. Guys, I don't. You guys, did you get it as well? Yeah, you get refunded. You get refunded the money you put in. Yep. The money you put in, you get refunded. Still 3 days, but no sound. Like I told you, contact me on Discord. I had said that earlier. Contact me on Discord. Yo, what's going on, Kevin? How you feeling? But anyway, back to what I was saying earlier. You're not connected, just contact me on this on IG then. My IG is the real solo E. It's right up top. You'll see it right over there. And once again, guys, if you're not tapped into my broker, Ospreyfx, make sure you tap in. Especially if you guys are looking to get into trading with like TradingView. They have one called, it's called Trade Locker. I'm actually going to post a video on it possibly tomorrow. It's a pretty cool. It is TradingView. It is powered by TradingView. It is TradingView. But you get to actually now mark up your charts accurately, on point, and get all of that stuff going. Stop loss and NAS, guys. I literally showed you guys it earlier. When I get to that pair, I will bring it up, but you guys can see it. But like I said, I don't never get my stop loss out on live. I have text you on IG. Cool. Yeah, I'll check you out. I'll check it out. And you said you contacted support too, right? If you contacted support, then I'll see what's going on with that too. Let me see what's up with Euro Yen. Goodness gracious, we are moving. Yen basket, we're still doing nothing crazy. But yeah, I don't know. We shall see. What are you looking for in GJ? Absolutely nothing. I ain't looking for nothing right now. Just that NASDAQ trade. That's about it though. My stop loss is more down here though, because of this POI level right here. I just posted this in a VIP, but I had my stop loss. The one I posted in VIP, guys, I had the stop loss set down here. Jesus, man, I'm so mad. Oil didn't want to move on me today. I love this pair though. This commodity. This is my number one. I know a lot of you guys are not a big fan of oil because of the spreads, but this is a sleeper, a real true sleeper. Made the most money with this one. I mean, obviously you guys see it here. I showed you this yesterday. Oil, I think I made over. Yeah, with oil, shit, I made over 7. Here we go. I made about 6 grand with oil, and then gold would be number 2, about 2 grand. But oil, I made the most so far, and I absolutely love it. You know, make the most with oil for sure. And then obviously my 3-man standing strategies give me the best results. You know, 94% win rate. And this is why the reason why I make the most with this is because how can I explain it? It's because it's easy to spot, and I can spot it pretty much all the time in the market, especially what I trade. I trade NAS, I trade oil and gold. So these are very volatile pairs, right? And this strategy that I use is very powerful. But like I said, guys, you all know how I am. I preach about this all the time. It's not the strategy, because I show you guys my strategy all the time. You guys see all these strategies, and at the end of the day, y'all still not going nowhere with it, because y'all know it's not the strategy. It's literally not the strategy. So it's just like, at the end of the day, it's just like, you guys got to really understand that it's more to that than just what you guys think. What's going on with NASDAQ? Did it really? Let's see. And today is not the day. It's getting there. You said gold 90%, US 30. Only is what I trade now. Dope. Yeah, I only trade. I'm really gonna start trading oil more. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like, oil's really been. It just makes sense to me. I mean, I've been trying to look at gold lately, and I haven't been seeing too much reactions with gold, honestly. And it's just like, yeah, I might as well just start tapping into oil more, you know, than anything, because my mental is so set on oil. But gold is still there, and I don't know. I really don't want to take gold away, because the spreads is really good with gold, and I have no problems with them at all. With gold, I still get decent setups. It's just sometimes it'd be a little difficult for me to catch it, because I'm so focused on oil, and I'm always looking to see if there's another opportunity with oil, not just be like, oh, I forgot about gold. NASDAQ is like my last one. You know what I'm saying? NASDAQ is definitely the last one in the list. Yeah, if you guys don't know, oil is like my go-to. You guys see a lot of my trades is with oil. Like I said, I made the most. This is what's getting my account up. And yeah, sheesh, it's good so far. How long did it take me to earn 11K? 2 weeks. It took us 2 weeks. We up there 2 weeks. I would draw 6,000 out the account already. So this account is risk free, but it took us 2 weeks so far. I got to enter in today's trade and yesterday's trades. Yeah, it's fair. It's a fair place for sure. Hey, welcome, world's number one. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. What lot size you grow your account with the oil $500 balance? It's all about what you want to risk, though. Depending on what broker you're using, if you're using Ospreyfx, I could definitely tell you should go no more than 0. Honestly, you should do mini lots, 0.10, 0.05, micro and mini lots. That's what you should be doing. I wonder if this 5 minute can hold up. Said today ain't looking good. Nah, it's not, because I took my L, so I'm with y'all too. Today is not looking good at all. Joker Joe, you said, can I explain? You said you got started, then you just re-entered again. Everybody take L's every day. But it's more L's taken a day because I'm taking L's. That's a fact. I ain't even gonna lie to you. We had all winners except for the days where I started taking my L. All winners this entire week. Winning streak. Beautiful. And then boom. 2 L's actually. One from yesterday, and then today I took the oil. Is that Excel sheet? The Excel sheet isn't available yet. No, not right now. Only to the elite students. How how many trades do you make a what? How many trades do I take a day? Well, I could tell you my journal tells me, I mean, I'll show you right here, average. Been taking a lot of trades lately, and I told myself I need to chill out. Been taking a lot of trades lately, so I ain't even gonna lie. I'm about to after this session, I'm about to have a how can I put it, like a mental state of mind where I'm just going to like just drain out all that. I do this all the time when I trade, guys. When I'm like trading too much and I'm going against my rule, and I feel like at least I'm going against this rule book, which I do feel like I am since yesterday. I feel like I've been low-key stepping away from my rule book. All I usually do is just don't even touch the charts, don't even look at the charts. I rethink about everything, remember why I'm doing it, and then I go right back to work. I don't know if any of you guys do that, but like I said, man, trading is all mental. And if you guys are in a situation where you feel like you're just taking fat ass L's, like I feel like I just took a fat ass L last night to today. After today, I'm probably just gonna chill, like just mentally, just calm myself down, and just go from there, you know. Because one last thing I want to do is revenge trade, or start tweaking on some trades that don't even exist. I'm taking trades and all that stuff. The oil trade. So, you know, that's key to trading, man. Y'all really got to understand. Sometimes y'all got to stop trading when you just taking too many L's. Like if you guys take a lot of L's, just stop trading. Just really be like, you know what? Nah, today is not the day. I'm not mentally there to trade. Because the moment you lose out one big trade or a couple of big trades or whatever, or your account went damn near you almost blew your account, just really stop it. Just really stop it, because at the end of the day, it's kind of like you will revenge trade. You will feel some type of emotions where you feel like you need that money back. And I get it, but this goes right back to what I was saying before. If you guys have Forex as your number one income source, or trying to make that your number one income source, then you doing what I just said is going to be almost impossible to do, because now you're forcing yourself into something where you're like, oh, I need this money now, though. I need to get this money. I need to pay bills. I need to do this. I need to do this. I need to do this. Right now, I'm not even gonna lie. Forex should be more like a serious hobby to everyone, until it becomes a actual money making machine. And you got to really think about it like that. You do, because at the end of the day, you don't want to fucking put all your mental effort into something where you still learning. Because a lot of traders come in here thinking that they got this, you know, maybe because y'all might see me trade, I might make it simple, or somebody else might make it simple, or whatever. But y'all come in to be like, oh, I got this, and then the moment y'all win, go up. This is usually what it is. The first year of everybody's trading, first 2 years of trading goes like this. Like, yeah, I'm the best. I got this. Woo, woo, woo. I don't know nothing about this. I don't want to know nothing about this. And then boom, this happened. And then they learn, and they're like, oh, I got you now. And they try it again, and then boom. They try it again, and then boom. You see what I'm getting at? So at the end of the day, you guys gotta you gotta be in a good state of mind in order to really trade. And if you forcing yourself into trading Forex as your number one income, like I had somebody that literally quitted their job, and it was a doctor, and they quitted their job just to do Forex. And I'm just like, you should not have never did that. You should not. Because now you forcing yourself that you got to make this work. And unfortunately, we don't control the market. We don't. And the best thing I can tell you guys is to master mental. You got to master mental. That's the only way you will really have this shit. You feel me? So if you can't master that, then you definitely would be eating yourself up a lot, because trades like this, you'd be like, it's gotta hit. So you get out the trade early, you know, you feel neglected about it or whatever, or maybe you might see a GJ opportunity that didn't exist before, but for whatever reason you see it, because once again, you're just so tempted to look for something because you need the money now. So that's all I gotta say for that part. Psychology trading is the hardest part and takes the longest in learning a strategy. Yes, and that's facts, and that's the thing why a lot of traders will tell you, oh yeah, you know, it took me 5 years before I started seeing actual money. You know, it took me 6 years before they start seeing money, 10 years. And then yet again, this is why is there over thousands, 100,000 plus different strategy videos on YouTube, but yet 100,000 plus traders still suck at trading? Sorry to say it like that, but let's just say you still suck at trading. Why is that? Why is that on YouTube the most watched videos when it comes to trading is a strategy that makes you 90%? Here's do it. Supply demand strategy, order block strategy, key level strategy. Why is it that these videos do so well, but then you got a video on psychology, mindset of trading, how to master the art of trading using psychology? Gets no love. It gets no love. And guess what? Everybody that's following that strategy videos and watching all of those different videos, I mean, look where y'all at now. You know what I'm saying? You're not learning anything. You know, you're just, I like to call it strategy hopping. You're strategy hopping. You're going to one strategy, that don't work. Now you want to try something else, that don't work. Let's just say, for instance, this is a prime example. For anybody that's been trading for about 4 years plus, 5 years plus, so I don't remember hearing nothing about no smart money concept. And if it probably did exist at the time, but I never heard it. It wasn't popular back then. At that time, for me, what was popular was the trend line, learning the fibs for me, and all that stuff, right? So then now this whole new concept came up, or it became more popular. Now everybody's tapping into that because what they thought, you know, before, learning support resistance, learning about fibs, learning about pivot points, learning about Elliott wave, learning about whack off, if that was a thing for y'all, it didn't work. So now you hear this new concept, now you trying it out, and now you're like, okay, it's working. Now it's probably like, now you probably like this on your account. You're like, I'm getting it now, and then boom, and then boom, and then boom, and then maybe I'm getting it somewhat, and then boom. That is because this is what I'm saying, that it's your psychology. It's not no fucking strategy. Strategy ain't gonna get you nowhere. It's gonna give you the ability to understand the market, but you can understand the market, but without the proper mindset, you can't even hold a trade. That's the problem. You're too nervous to hold a trade, or you get too flocked out because your mental isn't there. And that could be because you might have blown an account, or you might be over risking your account, or you just might be doing something that makes no sense. And that's part of, you need to create a system in order for you to get that right. Like, that's just real facts. So we really got to understand that, guys, if you really want this shit, if you really want this, stop trying to find a strategy video, then another strategy video, then another strategy video. Please listen, create this, create your system, and then master that, and then you start trading live. But don't trade a demo account either, because a demo account is not going to give you nothing. I swear, if you guys show me your profits on demo accounts, I'm just going to look at it and be like, okay, why are you showing me this? I don't care. Because at the end of the day, you can go in there to learn your strategy, and that's fine. I say a demo account is perfect to get your strategy on point. So if you feel like your strategy, because the thing about a demo account is every strategy on YouTube works, guys. Every strategy on YouTube works. It's the fact that when you guys see this, and this is what I get commented on all the time, I will post a video on my strategy, right? And I'll probably be like, this is a 84% win rate, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get hella y'all commenting and be like, you a scam, you fake, that's not real. It is real. The strategy is an 84% win rate. I can prove it to you right now by trading on a demo account. So basically, I have no emotions on a demo account. But here's the problem: when you use your mental, you might have to minus 10 or 20% off of whatever that risk win rate was, because honestly, you might have to knock down 50% off, because some of you guys not really understanding the mental mindset yet. So you might have to knock off 50% off of what you originally seen. So what I'm getting at the end of the day is when traders come in the market and say that, oh, this strategy doesn't work, I'm just trying it on a live account. It does work. It's you not understanding that your mental is what's fucking you up from that strategy. So that's why I say a demo account is only going to get you your strategy, but it's kind of pointless at this point because there's so many good strategies. I see hella supply demand strategies out, moving averages strategies out, order block strategies, ICT concept, smart money concept, whack off, Elliott wave, Fibonacci, market breakout structure, all of that, price action, double tops, double bottom, head and shoulders. These are all good ass strategies, guys. Perfect strategies. But like I said, you can probably perfect it on your demo account because you're not having no emotions, or if you really think that you got your emotions attached, like let's say you take an L and you really out here crying about it, that's all fake. You trying to make it real, but I promise you, the moment you get that live account, everything changed. It's not the same. It's nowhere near the same. That 1% will equal up to 99%. It's not the same. So if you are the trader trading demo and flashing all your profits, even though we all can see that it's a demo account, that's cool. Congratulations, you understanding your strategy. But as far as the mental part, you only playing yourself. You're not playing me. You're not playing any other trader, but you're playing yourself. Because you're not understanding as a trader, you got to master that mental. You got to. And the same thing goes for anybody that has, like me, I have my own signal. I have my own signals, right? I got my own signals. So as me have my own signals, it's kind of like, well, I'm going to just take signals all the time. You can do that, but guess what? Your mental still goes in it. Because how I just caught out this NASDAQ trade, I'm still in this NASDAQ trade. Stop loss never hit, but I'm sure a lot of you guys probably getting out the trade because it's not moving. Even if it goes to stop loss, it is what it is. If it goes to TP, then cool. And that's what I'm saying right there. So regardless, it comes down to your mental is what I'm getting at the end of the day, guys. It comes down to your mental at the end of the day. At the end of the day, it comes to your mental. And then how you can handle your mental is by creating a system. Meaning that know what you want to risk. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of us right now is basically over risking our accounts. I kind of actually almost over risk. I didn't over risk my account, but what I did do was went against my rules today on oil. Like, I think I lost like $2 grand on oil. Yeah. So I definitely went against my rules on that part. But what I'm getting at the end of the day is you don't want that to be consistent. You want to have a system and follow it. We all do disobey our rules sometimes. We disobey the law sometimes. We know, right? We create rules as a kid. You know, sometimes you got to be a bit of 9, or you got to do this, or, you know, you got to be at work at this time. Sometimes we don't follow it through all the way. And that's just how it is as a human, right? We're not fucking we're not like fucking robots where we don't have no emotions. So what I'm getting at the end of the day is that guys, in order to master your mental, you have to create you a system so you can follow it. And then once you follow it, just make sure you stay consistent as much as you can. As you guys see, the consistency for me, $1,700 to $11K. I've been consistent, but since yesterday and today, it's been really I've been going crazy with my account. Like, ever since I took my money out of my account, I just said, fuck it, I'm about to go crazy with my account. And I don't like that, and I don't want that, right? Started with 17, got it to 12, withdrew $6,700 out, and now it's just like, oh yeah, I'm good now. But I don't want that. I got to make sure I stay consistent to myself and to my strategy. And that's where I'm getting you. That's what I'm trying to help you guys understand too. And it's hard. I swear it's hard. I still struggle all the time with that, like staying consistent. But I know now this is this is the only way I can stay consistent, guys. This right here is my system. That's why you see me flash this every stream, because it's literally right here in front of my face. It's literally right here in front of my face. And this is the only way that's going to keep me straight. Because if I throw this away, or I go somewhere and then let's say I was to grow my account from 1,000 to 12,000, I'm going to get cocky with myself. And I'm going to feel like, oh, this is too simple. And I'm going to just start over risking, doing this and doing that, doing this, doing that. And this is how traders will flip an account but then blow it, is because you might get a little cocky, or you might lose train of thought, or you didn't even have a system in place, so you was just trading based off of whatever, and you just had really good luck. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, man, I had to preach on that because that's important, y'all. Like, that's really important. And I see a lot of traders struggle so much. and still wonder why they're struggling. Like, you guys buy courses, you learn from all mentors, you got everything, you invest into everything, your time, your money, and you're still like, why can I not make any profits? And that's just simply because as a mentor, me as a mentor, I cannot teach you how to handle your mental. I can only give you the guide of how to basically stay consistent, but I cannot force you to follow rules. I cannot. I'm not gonna be here like I can't babysit nobody. I can't. And even if I do babysit, you still gonna fall against your rules sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, I got a kid, I got a son. I be telling him all the time certain things he can and can't do, but he still, acts up. And that's just part of humanity life right there. So I just really want y'all to understand, like, if you are that type of trader where you spend a bag and your time and so much into trading and you still not there, it's not nobody else but you not understanding that. Damn, you really guys, I don't think y'all really know. Y'all really need, like, I really needed this shit, and that's why I created this system, man. That's why I created this system, because I really needed this shit. I was just tired. I showed you guys my Coinbase. If you was in the VIP, I showed you this like a long time ago, that I spent over, not Coinbase, Cash App. I spent over 150K since 2017 or something like that. I have no idea where that money came from. I don't even know how I got that money. I just know that the money just came in, and then now it's just like damn, man, I don't know what to do from there, but that being said, man, I spent all that money, and that being said, guys, it's just like I got tired, man. I really got tired, and I was like, I really need this shit, so I got to figure this out, and I figured it out. So you really got to understand, like, guys, the art of trading is your mental. I can't teach you. I can give everybody all the signals. I can give you guys all my signals. I can give you all my strategies. I can give you the sauce, but it's up to you to stay in the trade. It's up to you to not over risk your account. It's up to you to have the proper mindset of knowing that, oh yeah, all right, bet. Like right here, a lot of these trades that I called out from the $1,700 account to 11K was, a lot of you was caught in the VIP. But at the end of the day, like I said, this is literally what happens, guys. I can give everybody a $1,700 right now, and I can give you guys the secret sauce, like every detail on everything on here. But I promise you, everybody's coming out with a different amount. One trader will blew their account because they over risked, they didn't follow the rules. Another trader will probably still be at where they at because they got nervous because they didn't see a setup or whatever. Another trader probably will make way more money because they just got lucky or over risked, or they stuck with the plan. You see what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, if I was to be like, all right, guys, everybody here, let's go ahead and do a challenge. We start at $1,700. I'm calling every trade out 100%. I'm not leaving no trade out. I promise you, we are all coming out with different numbers. Guarantee. I will literally give you stop loss TPs and everything, and I'll be like, this is when I'm getting out the trade. This is what I'm still staying in the trade. And I promise you, you guys will still come out with different numbers. And that's why I'm trying to tell you guys, the art of trading is fucking mental and not no fucking strategy. And this is why you would probably see some traders will do very well in flipping their own account, but then when they're trying to teach their students or teach somebody else, members, they not doing well. And that's because they, unfortunately, as me as a mentor or other mentors, we can't teach you how to fucking control your mental. We can't. We're not here to babysit you like that. We not. So, and we can't babysit you like that. Yeah, so guys, I'm about to tap out. Ooh, we doing Gucci. I'm moving my stop loss to break even. I got a one trade. I'm riding another trade. Move my stop loss to break even. Let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure some of you guys got out this trade. or you probably couldn't even have held this trade because, like I say, I just preached about. I just preached about it. So yeah, Neil, shout out to Neil for giving me the third eye on seeing this. This is why Neil is one of our educational traders, man. I ain't even gonna lie. If Neil was to say something like, yo, I just brought NAS, I'm gonna look at it and be like, why did he? I'm already knowing why you got into it, bro. That's why I'd be so confident in, like, if he was to post a signal, I'd be like, all right, let me see what he posts. And then I'll probably start tapping into it too if I see it in my end. He said, it's strange how it works. I'm profitable, but if someone asked me how to trade, I couldn't break it down for them. And rubbish. It could be because maybe, you know, you don't know how to really explain it. But if you can show them, like if you have it, I don't know if you actually have this written down. That's what I'm actually saying. If you don't have it written down, then that's a problem. That could be a problem, low key. I closed out of NASDAQ. I'm still riding NASDAQ in my second position. And break even. It's in break even though. So if this trade goes left, boom. I still made $17 if it goes. Actually, I still made $100. Only cashed out at $162. So if this trade goes left, I still made $162. This is how I compound my account and grow my account so fast. Especially on a NASDAQ. Y'all know NASDAQ never wants to pull back. But I feel like every time I get in the trade, it always pulling back. And that's because of my positioning and where I'm looking at. And that's really all it is, though. But that's still effed up, though. Like, when I'm in it, why you just don't want to go straight up? It just wanted to give me that, oh, it's solo in it. All right, bet. We're pulling back, and then we going up. It did that. It does that all the time with me with NASDAQ. Y'all, my rules written down on board above my monitors. There you go, Ashby. You got it. So it just probably could be just because, you know, you might not know how to explain it as a teacher or whatever. I'm trying to tell you guys, man. I got one member in the VIP. He had sticky notes everywhere in his house. And on his refrigerator door and his door, I think it says something about do not revenge trade or do not over risk. I'm telling you guys, man, if y'all that stubborn to yourselves and that hard headed like me, I'm very hard headed and stubborn. We all are, right? We all are. We all are selfish too. We all are selfish. And if you don't believe me, you need to really think about what I'm actually saying. We all are selfish. How is that? We all doing things for us. We all doing things for people we love. That's fucking selfish, right? If it comes down to the end of the world and something was to happen, I'm sure you would do all in your power to make sure you do what you got to do to get that taken care of. That's what I mean by selfish. We all are doing something for ourselves. If you're in a relationship with somebody else, you find a value in them for you, just like they find a value in it for them. Selfish. So that being said, we all are stubborn and we all want it our ways. But that being said, sometimes you got to put sticky notes on your door, put I don't know, fucking build you a hat, tape a piece of paper everywhere you walk, just have that hanging down and be like, oh, okay, this is my rules. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Whatever you guys got to do it. Whatever you guys got to do, just do it. And just try to stay consistent with that. Guys, I'm going to give you my Discord link. Go ahead and tap in. And then for those that is having problem with the customer support, just hit me up. I watch your lives every time, but hardly ever take trades with you. If they don't match my rules and what I'm looking for, just love the live streams. Haha. There you go, man. I love that. So you still sticking to your rules. I'm the same way. Like I said, I really do trust all my educational traders that I have in there, and they call out fire signals, and I'd be like, damn, what signal did they call out? I would never take the trade because it's like I still want to make sure I see it in my eyes, but that's something you guys got to have too. So I'm telling you what I did with NASDAQ. I'm not telling you what you should do with NASDAQ. I'm telling you what I did with NASDAQ. I took profit. I had gotten 2 entries. I exited out of one, and I took profit with that one. Made 160. The second trade, I am riding completely free, risk free. So the more we go up, the more blues we get. I like it. Let's go. Let's continue to make this moolah. Chill. I need it, man. I lost a lot of money on oil today. I do the same to being honest. I was like, is that your discipline? This is, so if any of you guys don't know this is why I fucking love streaming. Cause it really puts me in play. Like, I kid you not, it really puts me in play. Like, I know I got a really good high win rate when I'm actually live than when I'm not live. And that's because I know everything I'm talking about is like, I gotta follow suit with it. I just can't be like, oh yeah, guys, I am very disciplined. You gotta be disciplined. You gotta risk this. You gotta have this compounding strategy. But then y'all see me trading $5 lot sizes and $10 lot size on my personal account. That makes no sense. It's like I'm holding myself way more accountable when I'm live. This is why I like going live. And I have no problem with it. At least for now. One thing I have taken from your rules is 2 L's and you out. Yep, 2 straight L's and I'm out. So for those that do know, I did take I actually got in 3 oil positions. I ain't gonna lie, I got in 3 oil positions. And that's counted as 1 trade though. Right? So if NASDAQ was to be another L for me, I would have just been like, you know what, I'm done. I would have ended my stream. That's what I do, guys. We did that a couple times. I think we did that at least twice. I ended my stream in like an hour because I took 2 L's in a day, and I'm not playing no game with my rules with that. I'm tired of. I used to revenge trade so much. I just got tired of it, so I literally got that as my rule. 2 straight L's, I'm out. I play no more game with that. Like, I can't do that revenge trading. That stuff hurts you. Solo trading, 1 close TP. Thanks for the 1.2K. Nice. Not for nothing. He said, not for nothing. You got the voice. Random trades in your Excel sheet. We are human. Right. And that's what I'm saying. Like, sometimes I will go against my rules as we all do. We are humans. I'm not going to sit here and say, yeah, guys, I am a robot. I am not emotionally attached to my trades. I can't say that. That's cap. You guys see in my Excel sheet, I had to put a strategy on here called just random trading. And this is where I'm just doing, I don't know what the fuck. And I did it a couple times right here. Actually, I should show you here. I did a couple what the fuck trades. 12. Actually, I got more what the fuck trades I didn't put in here yet. Like I said, I gotta put my trades in from the day and yesterday. I got a couple what the fuck trades too. It happens. Nothing wrong with it. We are humans, but I'm just telling you guys. Just know you want to try to be more in your pocket for your strategy and your whole system than just what the fuck type of trades. Meaning, like, you don't know what you're doing. You just doing it because you might have seen one video, one 10-minute video, one 5-minute video, and now you think you got it, or you want to try it out for you, whatever. So
to me, now you feel something. Yeah, you wanted $1 million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it.
important thing is trades to be small sizes, but again, we're all human. Yup. E, please explain your 3-minute standard strategy. I do that all the time. Nothing for you guys. Guys, I need everybody here to go ahead and show some appreciation by liking the video. Yo, let's get them likes up. I need everybody here to help me get these likes up. Let's get these likes up. We did good. 1-1 today. Yo, Neil, you still in here? What you looking at? I'm gonna call you my third eye too. What else you looking at? Or you done for the day? Or you just gonna let this one ride and just leave it alone? I don't really see nothing else. We all see what oil's doing. Disappointment. Hella disappointment. I got a question for you guys. When you guys do take a L in a trade, do you actually try to figure out what made you took this, or like why was this an L? Or do you just continue to move on? Oh yeah, we definitely hit TP1 on NASDAQ. Stop playing with your boy. Let's go. Keep it going. Keep it going. I really want to exit out this trade, but I'm going to let this one ride. How do I take TP1 and TP2 separately? Simple. I just get in 2 trades in the same position, around the same position. And I let one trade take me out, TP1. Boom. So that made me like $100 to $200. And then the second trade, I'd rather TP2, but I move my stop loss to break even. So I know this is a risk-free trade. I ain't got nothing to worry about. I can just leave the market alone and just go. That's the best feeling right there. You process every win and every loss. I like the answer. I like that answer. I like that. See, what I did is what I should have done. See, what I did is what I should have done. What I like to do is usually retrade. Wait, what? Retrade the NAS. Once it's done over, just hide everything and replay the day. No, it's now it's going up to 13K. Oh, you going for the moon? I see. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm still riding this one, y'all. I'm gonna still ride it. Risk free though. Risk free though. You say you out. Thank you for the profit, man. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. Like I said, man, like I said, man, you said a static key. Oh my gosh, why does it do that? All right, there we go. Like I said before, guys, y'all see me go live, and I know a lot of you guys do take the same trades I take when I say I'm in something. But let's say a trade goes left and it's nowhere near my stop loss, and then a lot of you guys would say, oh, I got stopped out or whatever. Like I said, this goes right back to what I was saying earlier. I can give you guys the same concept, the same way I look at the market, the same strategies. I can give everybody, be like, you're not physically saying I am, but I give everybody, look, or we always start off with like $1,100, $1,100, right? And like I say, all of us is not coming out the same, which is not. It's because, like I said, some of the traders will have this mindset, damn, I just want to over risk this trade, and let's say this trade goes left, they just blew their account, while some other traders like, I'm sticking to my rule, and then they're finding some other traders like, I'm not gonna get in this one, you know, because I don't feel it. That's what I'm saying. It's a mental thing. This is why I don't believe in like anything about a scam strategy or whatnot, because at the end of the day, it's all about you as a trader. One person you could be right next to somebody else and they're doing way better than you, and you're like, what are you doing? We just learned from the same person and we're in the same community. How are you more successful than me? Well, I'm sticking to my rules. I'm not over trading. You said we should low-key try that for a month in the summer. Low-key do it now. I mean, you know, nothing's going to change. Hey, Solo, being in the VIP is the best. Wait, what? Hey, Solo, being in your VIP is the best I could do. I've been with my phase 1 challenge for less than a week, and I'm up 2% away from passing it. Thanks for the support, bro. Hey, a bunch appreciated. I'm in profit for GJ short. Nice. What's going on, Trader Undertaker? I just realized you in here. I think you the youngest one here. Remember, guys, I think he's, how old are you again? 12 or 14? Are you 12 or 14? This is the worst oil trading session all week. I know. Yeah, he's okay. Yeah, you 12. Yeah, you 12. Damn, that's what's up. I know, man. I don't even want to go back to oil. It's 3 April. Push 3 April. People not connected. Hey, man. I know you've been hitting me up. Like I said, if you message me on Instagram, I'll check it out. As you see, I'm live right now, so you know that's why I haven't got back to you. Hey, 32 been trading for 3 years, not profitable. Yeah, it's all good. We're gonna get you there. We're gonna get you there. This is my first time seeing oil do this so ugly. It's been doing this since yesterday. Since the closing of New York session yesterday. And that's because of this gap, man. I know something was going to be weird. Obviously, it's always weird when you get these big gaps. It's like they got to create something. They got to create some type of manipulation. They got to create some type of manipulation. Because it's just like, nah, I know, guys. Unfortunately, this is too easy for y'all to trade. We're not going to just let this drop. They're going to manipulate. I feel like, guys, last time I spoke on the gap with oil was... Damn. I mean, we had a gap right here. Look at this gap. We on a 1 hour scale. Look at this gap. We had a gap right here. It didn't even fulfill until... It's sheesh. Took down there, 2 weeks. Sorry, down there 2 weeks to fulfill that, almost a month. I thought we had like a really big gap on oil before. I might have missed it already. But I just want to show you guys why gaps ain't always what you think it is. Yeah, this was it right here. This one though, this one fulfilled right away though. But notice how this, I don't think this was it though. But notice how we had a nice gap. This one fulfilled right away. So it's like 50-50 up right here. This is it. Notice how we had this gap. It took until next. Damn. What was it? Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It took 3 weeks to fulfill that gap. You guys see what I'm getting at with this? So I don't want you to assume that this gap is going to be fulfilled this week or next week. It could be whenever. It could be whenever at the end of the day. You just want to focus on what you're seeing now. Don't focus on this. We see that. We know it's going to get fulfilled eventually. Sheesh, it might take a year. We know it's going to get fulfilled. But at the end of the day, I just focus what's in the moment right now. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go to TP2, man. With no drawdown. I want no drawdown. Might never. All depends on the global price of the asset. Yeah, see? That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying. I used to be that trader too, where I see a gap, I was instantly like, oh yeah, this is easy money. Until I started getting into trading and I realized that that shit was bullshit. So I really started actually analyzing the market. That was all BS. Joe, it's on the screen. What y'all talking about? Hold on. What's today is vintage flooring. Okay, cool. Joe's on the screen. He entered roughly 290. Hey, solo. I entered the stream late. Where did you enter? Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, thanks. No. Okay, cool. Yeah. He said the blue is blinding you. Yeah, I know. It's my favorite color though. As you guys see, I haven't really been trading gold lately. So I've been trading for 3 years since October. Last year I passed 600 and blew it before my first payout in my psychology. Damn, that's crazy. It's just all psychology. You gotta have a plan. Like, you really gotta have a system. I don't know if you actually got a system. Not just no trading strategy. We're not talking about no trading strategy. I mean a system from writing it down. We're not talking about in your head. We're talking about writing it down on your computer, writing it down on a pen and paper. Do you have any of that? Can you do a trade breakdown? I want to do one on NASDAQ once it actually hits all the CPs, but we're still in it though. It really is just because of the liquidity phase. That's what I've seen. Still working on a journal. Take a longer than, man. I can't wait. No, we I know the people's been waiting for this one. Yeah, no, it's starting to die down now because of the time. It's about to be 11 soon. So I just feel like NASDAQ is going to slowly just build its way up. Gold, obviously, is gold. Not going to really do too much. Oil, don't even expect to get in oil, guys, or y'all going to really be in the biggest emotional roller coaster ever. Now look at this. Perfect setup for buy. At least I believe. 5 minute. Oh, what the heck? Oh. Yeah, 5 minute entry right there. I thought that was it, but nope. Went down and then yeah, from there it just went left. Guys, if you're not a part of my Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord. Let's see. My DJ trades taking forever. Patience, man. Just have patience, brother. You'll be alright. Just have patience. Just set and forget. Set and forget. At this point, you should be in something. If not, you just gotta wait. Oh, you're pissing me off. Hey, yo, Neil, what do you feel like it's gonna do tomorrow? You think it's, or you just want to see? I kind of don't know what it's obviously gonna do, but I want to just see if it's gonna take this low out. You got better when you met me, admit it. You said you done trusting niggas, but you did it. Move low key, but I really don't think there would be much volume tomorrow with London closed. Oh yeah, yep. I feel like damn, we might just probably consolidate up until Sunday, opening on Sunday. The way oil, if oil is gonna continue to do this all week or for the rest of the day and tomorrow, yeah. I don't know. I might not even trade tomorrow. I mean, I'm gonna look at the market, but I don't think I'm gonna take any trades tomorrow either. It's very good, but I lose my patience, and sometimes I get greedy. Oh, I feel it. I feel it. I feel you on that. Let's see. So it's telling you now it's going to 1300, 13K. I believe you, man. I believe you. I believe you. I believe you. That's why I'm still holding this way. Actually, my TP, yeah, I'm gonna get out. My TP is literally just hit. I'm gonna just get out, because I know how I like to hit it and then not take it. Pay for my holiday next week. Ooh, let's go. Let's go, guys. We about to hit TP2 on TradingView for sure. If you guys are not using Ospreyfx, make sure you are using Ospreyfx. Says I read the markets will close or have closing early because of Good Friday. Only FX has no more hours. Oh, yeah, probably did. Probably is. Oil and oil is the king for sure. Y'all really sleeping on it. And I feel y'all, the spreads is high, but I promise you guys, if you really learning from me and you understanding my strategies, oil works the best for the way I trade. For how I look for setups, oil is it. That's why I'm always riding oil like it's nothing, because I just love it. It's the best because it gives me the best setups. Super simple to identify too. NASDAQ doesn't really give me that opportunity, but when it does, I'm in. But I gotta be in at the right time, and sometimes I don't really catch it at that time. Well, y'all really should just open up y'all minds a little bit and just try oil for a little bit. Just see what y'all think about it. For those that still don't know what y'all want to trade, just tap into it. If you already got your pairs and you locked in on it, stay with that. Don't listen to solo. Only just speaking for those that still trying to figure out what they want to trade. Just try out oil for a bit. I know a lot of you guys also. I got a question. You guys prefer NASDAQ or US 30? Which one has to stay? If one has to go, which one would you like to stay? And by the way, we just hit TP2. Let's go. That liquidity phase never goes wrong. Oh yeah, it does actually sometimes. It did yesterday.
Getting excited, feeling erotic. She a little thotty for me. She only do it for me. Told her this dickin' for free. Look what you did to the sheets. She said I'm going too deep. Girl, I'ma put you to sleep, make you addicted, fucking with me. Know I'm a king when I'm in the east. Made you my queen, I'm playing for keeps. Ay, we used to fuck in the Jeep. That's when a nigga was cheap. And took you to Telly's, eating at delis. We used to ride out to Philly. I'ma take you out, we could ride around, just the two of us. You my twin flame, ain't no doubt about it. We be so in love.
Which one has to? Wait, what I say? Which one would you like to stay? NASDAQ. Okay, y'all better say NASDAQ. Forget US 30, man. I'm sorry for the 30% that say US 30. NASDAQ all day. Damn. Neil, man, you on something? You on to something right now? We getting there. The 13K. We definitely getting there. I should have got in 3 positions, but nah. Nah, I'm good. I'm good where I'm at. Oh, damn. We are taking off. Ain't gonna lie to you. That's crazy.
Yo, you ready?
Your broker, my broker, I'm at. I can't even see it. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
I'ma take you out, we could ride around, just the two of us. You my twin flame, ain't no doubt about it, we be two in love. From me, your club, I ain't pulling out.
On your broker, you way up. Yeah, I'm way. I know I'm way. Oh, so let me look at my broker. Oh yeah. We down there at 13. I see what you're saying. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I'm just looking at TradingView. TradingView 13 is up here, but for my broker, 13 is literally right here. I mean, yeah, we just hit 13. Never mind. We just hit 13K. Yeah, my broker just hit 13K. 13K on my broker is literally right here. But on TradingView is all the way up here. Crazy. Trying to tell y'all, man. Neil was one of the students that I taught, and I know he's been killing it since though, and even before, man. And he's the one that got me to trade oil. I know he said some other educational. I don't know if you guys are tapped in my Discord to know who's all educational traders are, but I know he said he got introduced because of him. But Neil and Kingo Neil actually both introduced me into oil, and that's what made me got into oil. I know you say you don't trade gold at all. You absolutely hate gold. So y'all can thank Neil for this one, because I would not have realized any of this. I probably would have still been trying to look at gold or oil. Once you told me, Neil, I looked at it and I seen my setup in there. I was like, yep, say less. It's game over.
You know you got it, yeah. Getting excited, feeling erotic. She a little thotty for me. She only do it for me. Told her this dickin' for free. Look what you did to the sheets. She said I'm going too deep. Girl, I'ma put you to sleep, make you addicted. Me, know I'm a king when I'm in the east. Made you my queen, I'm playing for keeps. Ay, we used to f in the Jeep. That's when it was cheap. And took you to Telly's, eating at delis.
Yeah, NASDAQ is going up. It's taking off from here. It ain't stopping. I love it. This is why I like NAS. When I'm in it at the right time, it's up. Shout out to those that was patient with NASDAQ when it was down here. This is what you get rewarded when you have patience. That's the thing. It really be flying when it's already flying. Like it flew here, flew here, flew here. Now it's flying again. Can you check US oil? Nothing's going on with US oil. It's just going crazy. Don't wait for nobody for pullbacks. Absolutely not. It's like you in it or not. I can never hold a position if it goes left on NASDAQ. Let's say like a trade goes left, but if it's a NASDAQ trade and it goes left and I'm like still holding it, mirroring to the trade, I would not be able to do that because I already know y'all ain't gonna get no pullback. Gold does the same thing, but sometimes it can pull. GJ and Yen, all my Yen pairs, I'm like, yeah, you're gonna pull back. It's cool. It is different because it's different liquidity providers. Every broker have their own, subscriptions on different liquidity providers. Some brokers use the same liquidity providers that other brokers use. I know one of the famous ones, the liquidity provider is Forex.com. I remember at least when I was talking to MetaQuotes to start my own brokerage, they kind of gave me the insights of what I got to do, and they told me who I can talk to. There's a couple liquidity providers that you got to obviously pay for, and everybody kind of works with the same. I realized that. It's a lot to start a broker in the States of America. It's a lot. Goodness. When I was speaking to one of the sales reps with MetaQuotes, I was like, look, man, I want to start a brokerage. Can you run down to me the numbers y'all charge? And he told me the numbers. I was like, oh, I'm surprised. That's it. All right, bet. But then when he told me the numbers of what I got to do to get it regulated out here, how I got to do it out here, I was like, okay, makes sense. It's fucking crazy. It's possible, obviously, but it's a lot that you got to do. And I don't mentally have the time to do it myself, so I need to hire somebody to do it for me. Do I backtest? I actually do not know more because I do a lot of teaching, and to be honest with you, my teaching is my backtesting. I do not no longer really do backtesting. The only time I really backtest is if I'm using the software called Forex Tester 5, which I will be showing that in the live stream, possibly next week. It is a backtesting software I use if I have found a new strategy or trying to create something. Like creating my system, this is what I was using. It's like an MT5 account with real money. You literally see it fluctuate as the market moves. You can go as far back as you want. You don't have to worry about trading view saying, oh, no data found. You can go as far back as you want and take any trades, and that's what I use to create it. That's what I actually use to create my system too. And that stack is about to down to hit TP3. My average is a 1-1, 1-2, but damn, we're going straight to TP3. It's called Forex Testers 5. After this trade, I think I'm gonna just be like, yo, I'm not gonna look for nothing until Asian session with Yen. Hopefully, if Yen wants to produce something. All right, let's see. Try. Back test. So yeah, guys. So if you guys are not a part of the Discord, I want to make sure you guys join that Discord. And that being said, man, I'm about to actually end this one short. The market is pretty dead today. Ever since this NASDAQ, that's pretty much what it is. In short, I'm gonna see all y'all Monday. Everybody else, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Everybody have a great week. Stay profitable and make this money. And I'll keep you guys posted with everything. And don't forget to sign up with Ospreyfx, Funder Pro. Use the code SOLO20 if you want 20% off. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll see everybody else Monday. Peace, y'all.